Hello guys, today being on a Christmas day, that is 25th December 2025, I just wanted to show you how I'm gonna fix a very quick meal that I'm going to take it during this day. So these are potatoes. So the first process that I'm gonna do is peel my potatoes, and as you see, they're inside my sink because that is where water is, or source of my water that I'm going to clean as I peel. So I'm going to peel all of them, and this the results. I've peeled all of them, and then I've washed them very clean, and then I immerse them under water. We are doing this so that it helps us to get rid of starch, which make your potatoes stick together. So I don't know if I told you that the meal that I'm going to make potato wedges, which are we call them potato wedges masala. I'm going to have masala, and then beef will be our source of protein and also our source of stew. So after I've washed, so I'm going to cut them into pieces, which are some are wedges but not actually the real wedges. So this shape is almost the shape that people usually cut when they are making the potato fries, or the chips. People call chips, some call fries. So I'm going to cut into 4 equal parts each and every potato that I've peeled. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm not going to cut them into small pieces, but into a bit bigger pieces. So this is the results after cutting all of them. So, and you see my potatoes, they're very clean because I've cleaned it with a lot of water. And then I'm going to deep fry all of them. The first round is just passing in the oil, and then I'm going to do the second round, which will make them crispy. That is my beef cooking over there. So what I did for my beef, I boiled, and then after that I started frying. And then this is what is going to this is the final result. That is a beef stew and potato wedges masala. What I did to get the wedges potato masala, I had powder products: 1 turmeric, 2 paprika, garlic powder, ginger powder, and then I have beef masala powder. Then now I had my onions, and then I had my coriander, and then I had my capsicum. So what I did is put oil on your pan, or pot that you're going to use to cook it. And then when the oil is ready, you put your onions, you fry until it is golden brown. And then now you bring in your powder products. So for the powder products to mix very well, what you do is in a bowl, or in a bowl, you're going to add each and every. I added a half tablespoon of each and every powder product. So, and then I mix them very well, or properly. And then now what I did is before I added that powder, I garnish with my capsicum, and then some of the coriander, and then I stirred them within like 30 seconds. And then now I added my mixture of different products of the powder. Then I mix them. After that, I add tomato paste, and then I had tomato sauce, and then I added also soy sauce. Then I add a pinch of salt. Then I mix them thoroughly. Then I bring my crunchy deep fried potatoes, and then now, because I don't want to mash them, I carefully mix them slowly. And then we had remaining coriander that we had chopped, so you sprinkle to garnish it, and then now it's ready to be served. Then for the beef, it's just simple that you put oil on your pot or a frying pan, and then when it is ready, you put your onions, you fry until it is golden brown. You can put coriander first, or you can just put a small of it, and then you put your meat, and then you stir. When the smell of the onions gets into your beef, you bring in your onions, and then you wait it until it is cooked properly, and then you add your tomato paste, because we want like a full brown color, or red color. Okay, we want a red color that is going to be like attractive, and that is going to be like attractive to people when they want to serve, or while they're eating. So after that, you add the soy sauce, and then you bring in you garnish with coriander. And then the other thing that you can do is maybe fry some of the onions, and then until they're golden brown, and then you put aside. After now that your beef has cooked and everything has been added, you can sprinkle on top, so that it brings that smell it makes that smell get into your beef. That's all what I did. And then I served that one with now with water. For those who love juice, you can do juice, soda, and any other thing that you like. yeah, and that is what happened in my Christmas. Just simple meal, not complicated, because these are the things we usually eat. So I don't know, I don't want to stress myself as if I have a lot of guests who are visiting who have never eaten those food, and then I want to make this food. Christmas Day is a day that we should, if you are a born again Christian, ensure that Jesus or Lord Christ is born again in your heart, and also you can share food with other people who are less fortunate in our societies. If you are able to do that, you can visit those who are in hospitals, you can visit children's homes, you can do things, yeah, instead of spending all your time cooking a lot of food that you're not going to finish. So that is what I did, and it was just simple, something that I usually do, and yeah, that's simple and cheap meal to prepare on Christmas, so that you cannot incur a lot of expenses that will be recarried for January. And you know, January is not a good month. No, I was just joking. It's a good month because I know God is going to make us do and enjoy it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you think it is good, you can share, give a thumbs up, subscribe into this YouTube channel if you have not done it. Yeah, Merry Christmas and happy prosperous year as we wait to usher in that the new year 2026. Yeah, so Merry Christmas. May God bless you. Yeah, and may God like keep you and continue blessing. Thank you.